In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress in Monday.com. We'll walk through creating a new board and adding a progress tracking column so you can quickly see how your work is moving forward at a glance. Start on your Monday.com. Home. From here, head to Workspaces. This is where your boards live, grouped by team, department, or project. Choose the workspace where this new board should belong, so everything stays organized for the right audience. Inside the workspace, look for the plus icon to add something new and choose Board. A board is your central place to plan and track tasks. Give your board a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to your team, like Q1 Marketing Plan or Product Launch Tracker. A good name makes it easier to find later and sets expectations about what's inside. Next, choose the privacy level. Main boards are visible to your entire account. Private boards are for invited members only, and shareable boards allow you to collaborate with external stakeholders. Pick the option that matches the sensitivity of the work and who needs access. It's much easier to set this correctly up front than to adjust later. You'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. This helps Monday.com suggest useful structures and column types tailored to your work, whether it's projects, tasks, clients, or anything else. Choose the category that best fits your use case so you start with a helpful framework instead of a blank slate. Click Create Board to spin it up. With the board open, we'll add the key piece, progress tracking. Look toward the columns area and click the plus icon to add a new column. In the search or list of column types, type progress and select progress tracking. This column displays a visual percentage bar, making it simple to understand how far along an item or project is without digging into details. The progress tracking column is designed to reflect completion based on related fields in your board, typically status type information. As your team updates items, the progress bar will update, giving you immediate visibility into what's on track and what needs attention. For clarity, keep your item names consistent and your status is meaningful, so the progress calculation mirrors reality. That's it. You navigated to your workspace, created a board with the right name and privacy, defined what you're managing, and added a progress tracking column. With this setup, your team can focus on the work while the board gives you a clean visual read on progress across the board. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tracking your work more confidently in Monday.com.